Okay, so the last section that we have is on sector area. So the sector of a circle is a region bounded by two radii and their arc. And you can see it in the picture here that you have your radii as AC and CB, okay? And then you have your arc as AB, okay? So that's what is created there. And then the formula that we have is A equals pi r squared, which is just your area of a circle, times the measure of your arc over 360 degrees. So we're just dividing here. So that measure equals your arc angle, or you could have your interior angle. Both of those are going to be the same. So as I look down at an example using this formula, which is going to be given to you, I see that I have find the sector area of CDE. So I want to use the formula. I see that R is going to equal 6 and that the measure of my arc is 70 degrees. So I plug it into my formula. Pi r squared, so 6 squared is 70 degrees over 360 degrees. So I've got 36, 70 over 360. If I put this into my calculator, I end up with 7 pi centimeters squared, or if it asks me to do a full round here, round to 2 decimal places, I end up with 21.99 centimeters squared. So either answer is fine, just like when we were doing the area before. The second part of this is your arc length. So your arc length is the distance along the arc measured in same units as radius or whatever is given to you. Okay, and the formula here is going to be 2 pi r, which is your circumference, times the measure of the arc over 360 degrees. So same part here, you're using, look at this, this is just your circumference formula because we're talking about the outside of the circle, and then you've got that degree, which is just your arc angle. So if I want to find the arc length here of AB, now this looks a little funny. I want to find the arc length here, AB. Okay, it should kind of look like a sector still, so I can draw in these radii and say that my radii here are from, I'll call this circle C, so I'll have AC and CB here as my radii. Those were equal to 18, and then I see that my arc is AB. It's 110 degrees. So using my formula, I've got the length here as 2 pi times 18 times 110 over 360 degrees, which means I have 36 pi times 110 over 360 degrees, which leaves me with 11 pi, and I want to use the same units, inches, or this is approximately 34.56 inches, and that's that length. That's part of the circle on the outside. Okay, so you've got some problems to do here dealing with both of these formulas.